Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TextPad app. So it's an app which will help you to create a web page. So I have already uploaded a video how to create a web page, and I hope you all have already seen that video. So those who have not seen that video but have seen this video, so you have to subscribe my channel to watch that video. Okay, so in that video I showed you how to create a web page through the Notepad app. Okay, so Notepad does not helps you in creating a web page, but this app will help you. And how it can help you is that it will display it will help you in typing the source code. Like if you don't know any source code, or if you know the source code but you don't know what's the function of that source code, so you can easily know from that app. Okay, so if you have done a spelling mistake, it will correct you. So that's why I thought, as I have made a previous video how to create a web page, so I thought those who can't understand that video of that source codes and all, so they can use this app to get some more help by this app for creating the web page. Okay, so let's get started. So first what you have to do is open the browser, your default browser or any other browser, any browser you want, no problem, and you have to go to the home page of that browser. Usually when you open a web browser, the home screen gets displayed, but if you have installed a Yahoo search engine or any other search engine like I have Yahoo, then what happens that after you click on the browser, that engine only opens, but when you will click on the new tab option, the home screen will open. Okay, so in the URL box you have to type this link. I will give the link in my description box of this video, and like this interface will appear, and the link that you will get at the topmost part will be the current link. So now the current link is 8.4.2, but after some months when the company will launch a new version of the app, then it will be displayed. But how can you understand that? It will be displayed at the topmost part. So the topmost link is the link of the app, which is the current app, on the present app and the updated app. So you have to click on one of them, what you want to choose. So better to choose the current one only. Okay, so I will choose TextPad only, this one. So now you have to select the language. So there are many languages, you have to select any one language. Okay, so and also select that 32-bit or 64-bit. So those who will have a 32-bit OS operating software, obviously, so there you have to click on 32-bit, and those who will have a 64-bit operating software, they have to click on this one. So how will you know that? So many people know. Those who don't know, for that I am showing. Friends, the steps that I am showing in this video, you can do it in Windows 7, 8 and 10 only. So if you use any other operating software, the steps might not work also. So what you have to do is right click on this PC. For Windows 8 and 10, you will get an app in your desktop screen in this PC. For Windows 7, those who are using Windows 7, they will get written computer, and click on properties. So after that, like this interface will appear, and here on system type you will get written 64-bit operating system. So I have 64-bit. So how do I understand that? That is that you can see a writing system type. So after that it is written 64-bit operating system. Okay, so 64-bit, and those who will have written 32-bit, so they have to click on 32-bit option, and those who will have here 64-bit like my ones, they have to click on 64-bit. So I will click on 64-bit, and it started downloading. So friends, as you can see, the file size is only 6.5 MB. So it will be downloaded in minimum 30 to 35 seconds if you have limited bandwidth, and if you have 100 MB also per day, so no problem in that also. So you now have to click on show in folder option. So this is a zip file folder, but you will not need any other software like WinRAR or and up to unzip it. Okay, so how can you unzip it? Right click on it, click on extract all, and what you have to do is select the location where you want to extract the folder. Okay, so I want to extract it in my fdisk drive. This is one, and I have to click on that and click on select folder option. So click on extract, and my file has been extracted. So this is my local disk F folder, and this is my file. Okay, so I have to double click on it, click on run, and it's installing. So let it be. So what you have to do is now click on next. If you want to read the agreement, you can read, or else click on I accept. So if you click on I do not accept, you cannot download it. You have to click on I accept. Okay, so click on next then, and if you want to give any username, you can give. I will leave it on ABC only, and organization, if you want to give, you can give, no problem. I will not give anything, and you can choose option anyone who uses this computer or for only you. Okay, click on next, and you have to choose the location where you want to install it. So you have to type it here. Okay, I will let it be the default location only. Click on next, then install.
Starting narrator.
Installing.
Text pad. Exiting narrator.
Okay, the sound you heard, friends, that's nothing but that's Windows narrator. The pop-up window opens if I install any new app or with my software. So many will think that, oh, means you are doing a trick with us. No, oh, but friends, no, I am not doing any trick. That's because of Windows narrator only. Okay, so when you will perform the steps only, you can understand that I am doing a trick or not. Okay, so cut your this interface and cut your browser, everything that you have, and now what you have to do is go to the search box and type here TextPad. So you can see that TextPad app is opening. Okay, so you have to click on open to open it, and it's giving a user guide. So if you want to read it, you have to click on next step and next step to finish the complete user guide. Okay, like this, like this, like this. So like this you can read it. Okay, and it will show you also how to correct it and how to use it. So those who don't know how to use it, many of the people don't know. So please read this user guide, or else you will never understand how to use it. Due to you will always think that he said a wrong word. It's nothing happening. It's not checking the spellings also. It's not doing any work, and it's a useless app. So don't think like that. Okay, and if by mistake you have clicked on the close button, no need to worry, you can again get it. Clicking on help. Okay, so clicking on help, and there are many options. So about TextPad, if you want to know, you can get here, and TextPad on the web, the website you know how to. So you have to click on here, and if you have asked any questions, you will get to see here, and obviously this help topics, so it will help you. Okay, so introducing TextPad, and it is help, and like this how to install it, what's new, frequently asked questions, getting help. So all this you can get from here. Okay, so if you like my video, please like it, subscribe my channel, unlike it, so that I can develop my next videos. And if you don't like this video, write in the comment box so that I can develop my next videos. And to watch more useful and interesting videos like this, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive latest updates of latest notification updates of my latest videos. And today's video ends here only, friends. I will be right there to you with a very interesting and useful video. Okay, so today's video ends here only, friends. We'll meet again in my next video. Thank you.